Jason with Fox Inspections here. Our next training video is going to be about kitchens, a room that can contain a lot of variables because of the difference in appliances between houses. We want to make sure that we're running all the appliances on what we would consider a typical cycle or normal testing, to include dishwashers. We're looking for a full cycle, whether it's a light wash or a normal wash, depending on how long the inspection is going to take. We definitely want to do a very thorough check under the kitchen sink, looking at drain lines, garbage disposals if they happen to be at the property. We want to run water in the sink, obviously checking for hot water and cold water, and then for leaks below the sink once we start with the running water. Outlet testing is very important in this room. We're looking for proper GFCI protection, of course. Microwave testing, whether you're using a cup of water or an actual microwave tester, whatever type of documentation you would like to use or take is always important. Developing your own routine for the kitchen can be very helpful so that you can figure out which order you'd like to go in. A lot of times routine can help ensure that you don't miss or forget to check certain things while you're in the kitchen space. Jared is going through sort of the typical process that he goes through when he inspects a kitchen. Just because he's doing appliances and running water and testing everything doesn't mean that he's going to skip the windows, the ceilings, flooring, countertops. We're also checking non-built-in appliances. In refrigerators, we're looking for temperature measurements. We want to check to see if ice makers are working properly, water dispensers are working properly. We're looking for any leaking, of course, around the refrigerators, and documentation pictures, of course, of anything that we're looking for so that we can prove that we did testing, even if the testing came out normal. Moving over to the range, of course, we're looking for gas valves. We're looking for proper electrical connections underneath the appliance, range hoods above. Again, you can see here that Jared is operating everything under what we would consider normal testing. And he's simulating his documentation pictures as necessary. Documentation continuing here in the ovens, where we're looking at getting a good thermometer in the oven to take a temperature based on our testing at 350 degrees.